Hi, today we're going to be looking at surface area of a rectangular prism. Let's get started. Okay, so here we have an example of a rectangular prism that has the following measurements. The height is 6 centimeters, the width is 4 centimeters, and the length is 3 centimeters. Now, this is a rectangular prism. If we were to unpack this rectangular prism and lay it out flat, it would look like this. Obviously, it might not be proportional here, but it would look something like this. So I've created here a chart that shows you the different faces. Now recognize that there are 6 faces here. So this is the first face, 4 by 6. So do you guys see this? I'm gonna put a green. I'm gonna surround this by green, um, the green ink here. But this is essentially the first face. So it's 4 by 6, right? So face A, 4 by 6. Now the opposite face also is 4 by 6 because it's the same measurements, right? So there's two 4 by 6s, and I'm showing you what the opposite looks like. So this is the opposite face, and obviously it has the same measurement. And this is this, that's face B. We also have a 3 by 6, and the 3 by 6 is this thing right here, right? 3, and then this is 6. So this is the face, 3 by 6. And there's 3 of those, so that's one, and the other one is this one right here, 3 by 6, right? So there's there's 2 of those, and the last uh, uh, face we have is the 4 by 3 face, and that's this one right here, the 4 by 3. So it's this whole thing, and obviously the opposite side is this. Okay, so we've got 4 by 3. There's 2 of them. Okay, so when we're calculating the rectangular prism, the surface area of a rectangular prism, we have to kind of open it up like that, or look at it in the three-dimensional shape and figure out all the faces and find the area of every single shape. So here I have the different faces, and I've found out the area that the 4 by 6 is obviously 24 centimeters square, another 24 centimeters square, 18, 18, 12, 12. Now if we were to add all of this, so if I were to do this right here, 24, 24, 18, 18, 12, 12, and what do we get here? 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 8, 16, plus 8, 24, plus 2, 26, plus 2, 28. So 8 to the power of, and we carry the 2, sorry. 2 plus 2 is 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right? So the area of this particular figure is 108 centimeter squared. Cool? Let's do 2 more examples so we can really solidify our knowledge. So find the surface area of the following rectangular prisms. Okay, let's have a look here. So again, in a rectangular prism, there are 6 faces, right? So we need to find the area of every single face. Let's see what these faces are. So let's look at this face right here. This is a 2 meter by, what is this? This is obviously 3 meters. So 2 meters by 3 meters, so we're at 6 meters squared. Now there's 2 of them, right? Because this is the other side. So we have another 2 meter by 3 meter. So we've got another 6 meters squared. Let's look at the other face. We've got this face right here, which is 13 by 2. So we've got 13 meters by 2 meters. Okay, and that equals 26 meters squared. But there's 2 of them, right? Because this is the second one. So another 13 meter by 2 meter, another 26 meters squared. And then the last one is this top face right here, and it's 13 by 3. So 13 meters by 3 meters, and that gives us 39 meters squared. And there's obviously another one, it's the bottom one. So we do this again, 13 meters times 3 meters equals another 39 meters squared. Okay, so if we were to add all of this, I did a bad job with lining everything up correctly, so I'm going to rewrite all of this right here, okay? So we've got 6 meters squared, 6 meters squared, 26 meters squared, 26 meters squared, 39 meters squared, 39 meter squared. And if we were to add all of this, 6 plus 6, 12, 18, 24, 33, 42. So we put a 2 here, carry the 4. 4 plus 2 is 6, 8, 11, 14. So 142 meters squared is the surface area of this rectangular prism. If we were to do this, let's have a look here. So let's look at the faces. The first face here is the 5 by 8. So we've got 5 meters by 8 meters, which gives us 40 meters squared. Should probably write this somewhere else. Let's see if I have more room here. So 5 meters by 8 meters equals 40 meters squared. And there's two of them. The opposing face is this, and that's also 5 meters by 8 meters, which also gives us 40 meters squared. The second type of face is this. It's the 7 by 5, and it's 5 meters by 7 meters, and that gives us 35 meters squared. There's another one, right across it. It's this one right here, 5 by 7. So 5 meters by 7 meters again gives us 35 meters squared. Now, what's the third pair of faces? It's the 8 meters by 7. I've been saying meters this whole time. I'm sorry. This is actually all centimeters. My fault. Okay, so we've got the 5 by 8, right? So the 5 by 8 and the 5 by 7. What's left is the 7 by 8. So 7 centimeter times 8 centimeters, and that gives us 56 centimeters squared. And there's another one right here. It's the one right across it. So another 7 centimeters by 8 centimeters gives us another 56 centimeters squared. And if we were to add all of this up, we get 0, 0, 5, 5, that's 10, plus 12, that's 22, 2, carry the 2 over here, 2 plus 4 is 6, plus 4 is 10, plus 3, 13, 16, 21, 26. So 26 centimeters squared. So the surface area of this particular rectangular prism is 262 centimeters squared. Hope you've enjoyed this. Thank you.